Hi everyone, how you doing? It's David again. I'm a photographer from Barcelona, Spain, and today I bring another video on street photography in Barcelona with a friend of mine. His name is Lao, and he's also doing YouTube videos. So I'll leave you the link to his video up here or in the description, and his Instagram as well. And we decided to just go and do some street photography in Barcelona and switch lenses because he has the Sigma 56mm 1.4 and I have the 30mm 1.4 from Sigma as well. And we decided to switch for a day and try, see how it goes. And that's what we did. Streets were very crowded, so it wasn't easy to take pictures. And we were kind of going into small streets and the sun wasn't getting there. It was fun as always, especially shooting with somebody else, used to shooting alone all the time. So that was a nice change. And that's it. In this video, you will be able to see some of the streets from the neighborhood of Gracia in Barcelona, kind of the cool neighborhood in Barcelona. And I will be using the Sigma 56mm 1.4 with the Sony a6500, and I have to say I love the lens. Anyway, I leave you to it. You can watch a video now. See you in a moment. Hi everyone, I'm here with my friend Lao and we're gonna switch lenses. I'm gonna use the 56mm from Sigma 1.4. He's gonna be using my 30mm 1.4 as well. And we're gonna go take pictures in Barcelona. If you wanna see his pictures, go to his channel. I'll leave it up here or down here in the description. Yeah. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so that's it. We are done here, no more light. I'm gonna do some night photography now and I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna tell you what I think about the 56 millimeters, and that's it. Stick around for more. See you.
Bye bye.
Alright, so Lao is gone now and I'm here at Sagrada Familia. You can see it there in the background. And I came here because I'm not very happy with this street photography, and I came here to take this one that it's been in my mind for a while now. Let's see, the idea is to get some trails, light trails from the cars. I'm doing long exposure, so it's on a tripod. I switched to manual mode and I'm gonna see what I can get. Alright, so that was it. Those were the pictures that I took. I know they're not great, but keep in mind that it's my 4th or 5th street photography session that I do. I usually do landscapes, but I really like to do this kind of photography now, and I will be posting more photos and videos about this. So if it's something that you're interested in and you enjoy, please consider subscribing. And the lens, the 56mm by Sigma on the Sony, it was just amazing to shoot with. I mean, it didn't miss a single shot. All the shots were in focus. I was shooting at 1.6, 1.8, and it was amazing. It didn't miss any shot. All of them were pin sharp, and it was like the camera and the lens were reading my mind and were focusing exactly what I wanted. So I'm very, very impressed by that. My Sigma 30mm, sometimes it misses the focus. I don't know if it's a firmware issue or it doesn't go well with the 6500, but sometimes, not all the time and not often, but sometimes it misses the focus. But with the 56, I didn't miss a single shot today, and I love that I can trust the lens. Even my Sony 50mm 1.8, sometimes less than the 30mm, but sometimes it misses or it doesn't really focus where I want. But this combo, the 56 plus the Sony, I love it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the pictures and the videos. Let me know what you think in the comments. And again, I will be posting this kind of content more often. I leave you Lao's YouTube channel in case you want to check it out and subscribe to him. He's doing great content as well. And that's it from me. I will see you guys in the next video, which will be very soon. See ya!